Let me start filling the table and start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will divide the number by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now take the square root. So 0 divided by 4 is nothing but 0 itself, and this is the value of sine 0. And next 1 divided by 4, take the root. So 1 divided by root 4 is nothing but 2. So 1 by 2 is the value of sine 30 degree. And next you have 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 divided by 2, but take the root. So that gives you 1 divided by root 2. And next one, take the root for this. So this is root 3 divided by root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. And here it is 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. So therefore, sine the 0 value is 0 itself. Sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. And sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees 1. Okay, now to fill this second column for the cos theta, what you can do, you just reverse the order. So 1 you have written here, but I am going to write the 1 here now, and let me reverse it. So root 3 by 2 here I have written, but let me write here. So root 3 by 2, and next 1 by root 2 itself. So 1 by root 2 itself. Next one is 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, and the last number here it is, first number is 0, but that becomes the last number here for the cos. So that's it. So cos 0 is 1, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 value is 0. So we just reverse the order. So this is the order for the sine, and this is the order for the cos. And to fill the last column for the tan theta, you should know one formula, that is nothing but tan. So tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, let me give you one example. Remaining we can just fill just like that. So sine 0 is 0 itself, so 0, and cos theta value is 1. So 0 by 1 is nothing but 0, so that we have to fill here. And next you have sine theta divided by cos theta. So here we can write sine theta value is 1 by 2 and whole divided by root 3 by 2. So root 3 divided by 2, 2 will be cancelled, you will get 1 divided by root 3. And next we have sine theta divided by cos theta for 45 degree. So sine theta value is root 2 1 by root 2, and cos theta value is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is just 1 itself. Next you have root 3 by 2 whole divided by, and here you have 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, that gives you 2 will be cancelled, and you will get just root 3. And next you have the next one. So 1 divided by 0, sine theta value is 1, cos theta value is 0. So sine theta by cos theta is 1 divided by 0, that gives you infinity. So this is how you will get the table. And let me move on to the next slide. So these are the values we have filled. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು there is a rule for the sine and the rule for the cos also. ಇವಾಗ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಬೌವ್ 60? ಓಕೆ, 60 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1, 2, 3. So number of fingers, that is equal to number of fingers is equal to 3 divided by 2. So this is the root. So root 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. So root 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 45 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ಇಟ್? 2 ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 2ನ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಟ್ 2. ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು 1 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ how many number of fingers are there above it? So only 1. Okay, so now root number of fingers is 1 divided by 2. So root 1 is just 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is the value of sine 30 degree. So this is how we can write in a NEET exam or JEE exam. But actually these numbers and values na you have to remember it immediately. You have to be in a position to answer. What is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. What is the value of sine 60? root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos 30? root 3 by 2. ಈ ಥರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ NEET and JEE exam. Now let me go for the cosine rule. So this is the cosine rule. So this is just a reverse of sine. So here the number of fingers below divided by 2 we can write. Let me take one example. What is the value of cos 60 degree? What is the value of cos 60 degree? So here what we have to do, number of fingers below 60. So number of fingers below 60 is only 1. So we can write that is equal to 1 and divided by 2 as it is. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. One more example. What is the value of cos 30 degree? So cos 30 degree antandre the rule is number of fingers below it. So how many number of fingers are there below it? 1, 2, 3. So we can write number of fingers is 3. So root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 by 2 is the value of cos 30 degree. But ಈ ರೂಲು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್.